All right, so this week we're going to cover the reflection intention technique, which is one of the two or even the most effective technique in the whole book. It's called the reflection intention technique. First, step one is plan ahead when you intend to test your state. So basically, make a little list of times that you're going to that you want and that you intend to test your state, like test your reality, right? Test if you're dreaming or not dreaming. So write down like 5 to 10 different occasions. Now the part where you can kind of influence how much this is going to help you is actually how many times you do this, right? So for example, every time you wake up, you intend to test your state every time you wake up. But if you only do that like half of the time, it's gonna decrease your chances of actually getting lucid dream by half, right? So if you really want this to help you, I would suggest really focusing on this, right? But that's very hard. I'm trying to focus on this for like weeks and weeks now, like on every technique of this for weeks and weeks now. But if you really focus on one technique for like a week or two, you will get like you pretty much will get a lucid dream, right? It's just hard to like do it every time you wake up, every time you enter a bus, every time you exercise, every time you do this. Like it's just hard, right? So make a list of times that you intend to test your state, right? So this can be times that things that you do often in dreams or often in real life, or this can be times that you actually think you're able to do this every time, basically, right? Then test your state, right? So ask yourself, am I dreaming? Count your fingers, look at the text twice, do your finger through your palm, see if that works. It's actually very cool when it works, mate. I've experienced it like a few times. It's a bit trippy, but it's definitely worth a try. After you like really know for sure that you're not dreaming, imagine visualize basically. Imagine yourself actually dreaming, like let's say the same situation or like a situation you have had in a dream recently. So either a situation that you're in right now or that you ever dreamed of, like this night, for example. Do you not dream, visualize about that, imagine that, and then imagine that in that dream you count your fingers, or you see a flying shoe, or you push your finger through your palm, and then imagine that it actually works, right? You have 6 fingers, you have 7, you have 8 fingers. Your finger your finger goes to your palm. Yeah, imagine that, and from the point that then you're like lucid in your fake dream, then go and do some lucid stuff, right? Go out of the shopping mall that you were in and go fly to the nearest canyon and then like try and spit fire or something, right? Or like climb up a big ass building, then jump off it, and then like that's actually a bit scary probably, but like skydive off it. Like try to create like a laser sword or something, right? Just do that, and then that's it basically. So sum up the entire technique. What you're gonna do is you're gonna plan when you're going to test your state. You're gonna test your state, and if it's not a dream, you're gonna imagine that you're dreaming, and then become lucid, and then intend to do like the stuff that you want to do when you become lucid, right? That technique is one of the best techniques in the whole book. All right, this is one of the best techniques, if not the best, in the whole book. All right, in this whole like series, in this whole protocol. All right, try and follow it up better than I did, because I didn't follow. Like I really tried, but it's just hard, mate. just try and really do this. Because if you can do this just 1 week, mate, you will pretty much have lucid dreaming. If not, like, your chances will be like doubled, alright? Which mine aren't right now. But yeah, this technique is one of the best ones. Please take this week seriously, because it is highly effective. Alright? I wish I took it more seriously. But yeah. Till next week. Mwah.